hour. So all I do with those numbers is I multiply them. So 1.5 times 200, and he went for 300 kilometers. Okay, he then changed directions, so that's done with that. That line's done now. Okay. He then, on a course of 340 degrees, so he's changing directions again. So 340. So I'm going to make a crosshair again. Here's something I do know. Okay, I know if this is 20 degrees, I know this angle up here is 20 degrees because these are alternate interior angles. I'd also know that this is 70 because these two angles would add up to 90, and this is also 70 if you wanted to figure that out. Okay, so now he is changing his direction and going on a course at 340 degrees. So 340, if you start again at the north, you'd go 180, and then you'd go another 270, and then 360 is a full circle. So if 360 is the full circle, we'll pick blue here. If 360 is the full circle, and I start from the north, how many would be left over from only getting, so if 360 is the full, I'd be at 340 for my full spin. How many is left over from 360 that I haven't filled in right here? And that would be 20 degrees left over. So it's actually 20 degrees in this direction. Okay? So 340 is the full distance here. I'm just short of 360, which is the full circle. I'm 20 short, so that's the leftover from here to here. Okay? And then how long did I go here? I flew for 2 hours at a speed of 250. So 2 times 250 would be 500. This is actually a little higher there. I'm going to redraw that. I'm going to throw that guy over there. Okay, I don't know how high it is, but I know it's 300 or 500. I'm going to move this here. Okay, so I know that is 500 kilometers. I'm going to move this guy over here. Okay, and now we're looking for, at this time, how far is the airport, so my airport's over here at A, okay, from the plane. Okay, so we'll draw this blue line here. We're just looking for that distance in blue. How far is it, X? Okay, so if you look at the information I know on this triangle, I know this full angle, and I know this leg, and I know this leg. This is 40. So, can I use law of sines? Can't use law of sines because I don't have an angle on its opposite. I'm going to do law of cosines again. So c squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine of c. And if I do that, I'm left with my two legs, so 500 squared plus 300 squared minus 2 times 500 times 300 times the cosine of my included angle, which is 40. That's nice. This problem is actually a really nice cosines, law of cosines problem, because all you do for this one is plug it in. So 500 squared plus 300 squared minus 2, 500 times 300 cosine of 40. Okay, and we get a monster number. So c squared equals 110186.67. Well, that's not my answer. I then have to take the square root of that. So c would equal second square root, second answer, the negative sign here. Okay, and then hit enter. So then my distance from there to there would be 331.9 kilometers. So that is how far away the plane is from the airport. Okay, if you have any other questions, come find me in the mornings, 8 a.m. I might be at track meets in the afternoon, so that's the test. Good luck.